Baby, kung sino man ang may gawa nito sa'yo, pangarap ko, papangarapin ko, patayin niyo sa sindak si Rogelia. Dahil yun talaga ang misyon ko sa buhay, ang patayin sa sindak. Baby, mamamatay ka na ba? Nasa dangerous talaga ang buhay natin lahat. Kaya kailangan maging mapatay na si Rogelia. Para alam mo na, bebe, may milyar tayo. Magpapatayo tayo ng hotel. Doon tayo magkakantutit. Di kantutot, di basuntutot. Siya nga pala, bebe. Bebe, baby bato. Kailangan sa gabi may lumanding sa kama para mapilay ang sanga ng paa ng kama. Ulol niyo nga pala sa mga drama niyo. My dear family, Diyos ko, hindi pa kayo namamatay. Punong-puno na kayo ng kaartihan at kaiyot-iyoters nyo. Ay, Diyos ko. Ang mga artista nagdrama. Sa totoo lang, mga abnormal nagdadrama. At takot sila na makita ako guys sa YouTube na matino, ayun, kasi alam nila na matino ako. Tangina. Kapag sumasayaw si Rogelia sa YouTube, ikamamatay ng Denmark. Bakit? Yung ginagawa nilang si Raulo is not crazy, yeah. And that's their job in real life. You know, hindi pa kayo nagaganunan, done na sa kanila. You didn't make sex yet, it's done to them already. Denmark, excuse me. Honest is, I'm virgin, yeah, in how many years without, ayun, maliban na lang kung pinarape nyo ako, yun. Are you scared yet? Ay, kaluoy man. Kawawa naman kayo, ano? Honest is, wala na akong kablom-bloman, ng kablem-bleman, ng kablom-bloman. At siya nga pala, Denmark, huwag ka masyadong magpaka-proud kasi one of my family can make me scared. Excuse me, my territorio is my territorio, and you know, I will kick them away, yeah. And yes, I want to say see you to my good relatives, and to those don't like me, you can fly wherever you want to fly. If you want to fly going to Aarhus, it's up to you, dear. And I want to tell you this, always remember that the cars is not good place for yours, because you know, colds first, before you welcome her here, the one that you know, you're gonna be agree for agreement, yeah. You know the agreement, right? That you'll never, no regret, no surrenders. And yeah, Rogelia never surrender to. By the way, guys, honest is, I'm so excited to go back in Philippines. I don't care if I don't have money. If there's a possibility to ask in immigration, if someone can give me a job to start, you know, to start a new life, I can ask them job. Beside right now, I need to do something, yeah. Do something very special that you know, so they cannot forget Rogelia, because you know, I forgive 22 years, yes, but forget what they done. Alice is they work hard for that, to give me you know, drugs, hoping that they can, you know, destroy my brain. But sorry guys, since young, I'll never use drugs, and I'll never dream to be, you know, drug addict. Yes, and if you recruit some of the Filipina, you know, to join to your club, I'm sorry, I'm out of them, and I'll never be like them. Okay, by the way guys, thank you for watching. To be continue, watch me. And this said that, you know, it's daring that I wear like this, but honest is, you know, if you watch celebrity, in LA or some in US, you can see that, they can wear sexy clothes, yeah. Here, they said that it's very, conservative. Honestly, is they can walk there in the beach without clothes too. So, hi, nako, I don't care. They make me naked here inside the house without asking my permission. Honest, I'll never get salary from them. And I'm not hoping to get a salary for that kind of job. I'm not, swords. I'm not dreaming to be like you, dear. If you don't mind, I reject all of the injection that you invite me to do this, do that, because if you are age of 40 up above, you can have this. Excuse me. Ayoko pang mamatay sa country nyo. I know you got the injections, you're gonna be, you're gonna be, no, it's a joke. You're gonna be, you gonna be a putata for beginning, yeah. And sickness later. Sickness, cancerous, yeah. I need to be careful for that. No one can touch my body, no problems, okay? I'll never use drugs, I'll never use cigarettes, except that experience when I was high school, it's only, one cigarettes, only one ordinary cigarettes. I'll never drink alcohol, never, ever. I need to be honest, I experienced once, yeah. I've been in party, yes, in Copenhagen with Filipina. Most of them is girls. Yeah, it's a girls' party, and someone give me hard drinks that if you start already, you'll never control. But it's a one night happen, and never happen again, because I'll never dream to be alcoholic. Yeah, workaholic, yes, that's me, because I'm the type of person that even cleaning assistant, I'll never say no, as long that I can earn money in legal way. Yeah, clean in legal way, that's me. Yeah, by the way, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you to all of my subscribers that they always follow to my YouTube account and watching my video. Bye and God bless you all. Keep praying. I know lahat ng bagay sa mundo ay may katapusan. Lahat ng bagay ay magiging okay din. Alam mo, ako yung tipong taong I woke up every morning with smile, because I know that if I have a problem yesterday, tomorrow I'm gonna be okay again. Kaya hoping na makalis ako sa countering ito, guys, ng alam mo na happy, because I'm looking forward to have a good life in Philippines. If I cannot achieve what I want to achieve here in Denmark, I will try my best that I can have a good future in Philippines. By the way, guys, thank you so much for all of your supports. Bye. God bless you all.